Hello everybody, we are going to try to solve the Coreless Cube. If I say try to solve it, because if you're here, you know there is a problem with the Coreless Cube, and we're going to see what is the right way to do it. The problem of the Coreless Cube is this one. You rarely end up, one time out of two, you end up in the wrong solution. And it's a problem because you were hoping to impress your friend, to show them how you're clever by solving this Coreless Cube, and one time out of two, you can't. You are obliged to scramble it again and unscramble it, and if you're lucky this time, it's going to be solved. So now we are going to see what happens when you scramble and unscramble it, and what is the right way to do it correctly. So the reason why you end up in one of these configurations, because there are several of them, but all of them are equivalent, so don't worry for that. We will solve all your problems, whatever they are. You wanted to do this, and you think you've done this. But of course, you haven't done this, because if you had done this, you would have this. And you have this. So the question is, what have you done that is different? So what you've done is actually this. There's a quarter of turn difference for 4 centers. Yes. And of course, this has no solution on the real Rubik's itself. So you've been fooled into thinking that you did everything correctly. But no, you didn't. You did that. And the solution to put the cube back to what you want it to be is to correct this. Yes? So this is what we are going to do on this cube. So I want to say that the problem only occurs when you have a quarter turn difference, décalage, yeah? And it doesn't, if you have 2 quarter turns, that's no problem, you are in this situation. If you have 1 quarter turn in this direction and 1 quarter turn in the other direction, no problem, you are again in this situation. It's only for 1 quarter, and it doesn't matter in which direction you are ending on the wrong side of the solutions. Yeah. So, as we said, we take, for instance, the blue face, and the hole is not correct here. We want this hole. It doesn't matter if I go for that hole or if I go for this hole. As long as it's a quarter turn of center, it will solve the problem. So, we want this hole there. So it means I need to bring this one without changing the position of this hole. Yeah. So I go below, bring in here, and now we are on the correct foundation. Now we are like that. We are not in this situation anymore. Yes. And so I can put the other one, the other side. I don't want to unscramble it all over. Okay, so I just show you from that you start. You build all your the second cone correctly, and then the third cone as you normally do, and you will end up there, and your problems are solved, and you are going to be able to impress your friend. And I wish you the best.